Today's topic, algebraic fractions. Number 1, we are going to simplify 15a square divide 6 times b square divide a. So very simple. 15 is a coefficient of a square. This 15 we can divide it by 3, we will get 5. This 6 we can divide it by 3, we will get 2. And here is a square, we can divide it by a, we will get a. So finally we get 5ab square divide 2. Number 1 done. Number 2, 12abc divide a square b times a cube b divide 4c. So first this 12 we can divide it by 4, we will get 3. This c and c divide, this b and b divide, a square divide a and a square. Once we divide, we will get a, and a cube divide a, we will get a square. So our answer is 3a square, and here is a b. So 3a square b. Okay, number 2 done. Number 3, here is x cube y square divide 10x times 15xy divide 10y square, divide 10y square. So we are going to solve this one step by step. How? Look, first here is x cube y square 15xy divide 10x and 10y square, right? First, this y square and y square, once you divide, it has gone. X and x out. So in here, this 10 we can divide it by 5, we will get 2. This 15 we can divide it by 5, we will get 3. So final answer is 3x cube y divide 10 times 2 is a 20. Number 3 done. Number 4, 2x square y square divide xy times 3x y cube divide 4x square. So this 4 we can divide it by 2, so we will get 2. X square divide x square out, x divide x out, y square divide y, so it will be y. So our answer is, here is a 3, and y times y cube, it will be y to the power 4 divide what? Divide 2. So number 1, 2, 3, 4 done. Number 5, 5x square minus 20x divide 10x square. So from here, first we have to take common something, like 5 and x square, and here is the 20x. So the common thing is 5x. So here will be x minus 4, and here is a 10x square. We can divide this 10 by 5, so here is a 2. This x square divided by x, so here is a x. So our answer is x minus 4 divide 2x. Okay, so number 5 done. Number 6, 3x square minus 6x divide x square plus x minus 6. So here we can take common 3x. So here will be x minus 2, and then x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. Now look, here is a 3x, x minus 2. We can take common x, so x plus 3. We can take common minus 2, so x plus 3, right? And finally, we can take common 3x, x minus 2, and here is a x plus 3, and here is a x minus 2. So we can divide this x minus 2, Our answer is what? 3x divide x plus 3. So number 6 done. Number 7. Number 7, here is x square plus 2x plus 1 divide x square minus 1. So this one we can write x square plus x plus 1, and here we can write x square minus 1 is looking a square minus b square. It means a plus b times a minus b. So we can write this on x plus 1 times x minus 1, and this one is become x plus 1 once we take common x, and plus 1 takes common, so here is x plus 1 again. Here is x plus 1, again x minus 1, and finally we get, once we take common x plus 1, here is a 1, x plus 1, so it will be x plus 1 again, and here is a x plus 1 times x minus 1. We can divide this one. Our answer is x plus 1 divide x minus 1. So number 7 done. We will try to solve one more math in this part. So number 8, which is 3x square minus x minus 4 divide 5x square minus 5. So this case we can write like 3 times 4 is a 12. 12, if we modify, we will get what? We can get, here is a 3x square and minus x. So 3 times 4 is a 12, and 4 minus 3 is a 1. So we can write minus, here is a plus 3x minus 4x minus 4, right? And here we can take common 5, so here is x square minus 1. So finally here is a 3x, x plus 1. We can take common minus 4, again x plus 1. And here is a 5, x plus 1 times x minus 1, right? And then here is a x plus 1, and here is a 3x minus 4. And finally we get 5 times x plus 1, and again x minus 1. So we can divide this x plus 1, x plus 1. Our answer is 3x minus 4 divide 5 times x minus 1. Very simple. So it's a very important math. I hope you understand. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. So here is a almost 20 math, and we need several part. This is a part 1 of exercise 21.1. I am following Cambridge O-level Hodder Education. Next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel.